Hi everyone, and thanks for joining today's webinar. We will be covering how to set up delivery window drop-down options, as well as the new and improved orders tab. Please know that you can always chat us questions as you're watching the webinar, and you can always write into heroes@neworder.com with any questions you might have as well. Let's get started. So here you can see I'm in the All Products gallery. When I click on a product, what I want to point out is the delivery options here. So as I am scrolling through, you can see that there is a list populating of all of the different delivery windows. Also, please note that there is a pre-book option as indicated here. Now that we reviewed how this list displays, we're going to head over to the admin section and review how to set this up. Here in the admin section, you will notice the delivery windows subsection. Clicking into delivery windows, as I scroll down, you can see all of the previously set up delivery windows. You'll also notice the pre-book option, which is toggled on here. You might also notice that there is a pre-book expiration set up for this delivery window. So to review, pre-book is essentially the way to communicate to your buyers that this is a pre-book item, which may or may not be cut or produced. Now let's review how to set up a delivery window. You can either add 12 months at a time or add one by clicking Add One here. As I click Add One, you'll notice I have the new option for my start and end. I simply click on Start, and I can set up that window. You'll notice that this is pushing out 30 days by default, and that you can toggle on the pre-book setting here. Additionally, here's where you would set your pre-book expiration. Great. So once this is complete, we will save. But we can't stop there. The next step is to go into your product data. Scrolling down, download your existing data using one of the options here. I'm going to download the data without archive products in the horizontal format, CSV. As I download it, it will populate, and then you can simply drag and drop it back into your portal. And this is what's going to actually trigger that delivery window to be set up. And you'll see all of the success messages here. All right, so that is how you would set up the delivery windows and trigger them to be live. Now let's head back over to the wholesale section and review the new orders tab. So navigating to the orders tab here, there are just a few things that I would like to point out. First and foremost, you'll notice that all of the orders are now grouped together, regardless of the status. The ways that you can identify the status are with the status column as well as the icon here. Another way you can narrow your orders down by status would be to use this filters column here. So if I click into order status, let's say I only want to see the pending and approved orders. I would use these filters and my orders would populate accordingly. One thing that I'd like to point out is the quick view. If you click on an order, you will see the quick view, the order number, some of the high-level details surrounding this order. In order to go back to your orders section, simply click the back arrow and you will be directed back. Now, let's review how you can configure the top header columns here. You'll notice that if I click Configure Columns, I can turn on, for example, the creator information. And in order to drag and drop the way that that information displays, I would simply relocate the creator information. All right, Now, let's review how you can make a copy or a reorder. For example, you would hover your mouse or cursor over the order. You can use this 3-dot icon, and here you'll see that you have the option to reorder this order. All right. Additionally, there is a new sorting feature. You'll notice if you click here, you can sort by the various options, whether it's date created, date modified, ship start, ship end, or status. This is a very useful tool as well. Now, if you wanted to actually export your orders, you could simply click on the export button here. You'll notice you still have the ability to export by full order details or order summary. If you would like to select and bulk move orders, simply click on the orders here, and you will notice that you have various options. Your actions could be to move back or regress these orders or move forward. Simply click this X in order to have this option disappear. All right, so that does conclude the webinar for today.